Have you updated the new version of Neemacademy app? If not, do it now. Our new version is available with improved performance and progress report, new UI UX, bug fixes and various exciting new features. You can log in with your old login details or create a new account. Welcome to the new dashboard. From My Library, you can access the courses of the specific grade selected. That is, here you can view the courses of grade 5 only. You can change the grade from here. When you change the grade, the courses will be automatically categorized as per the grade chosen. For example, now we can view the courses of grade 4. From the categorized subject section, you can enroll the desired courses. If you have already enrolled, start learning. If you haven't, simply click Enroll. This is the course objective. Remove and let's begin exploring courses. Explore the courses with interactive learning programs. Watch videos, animated GIFs for better understanding, play quizzes, view results, practice and track progress. Add notes, plan your study. Take live tests, ask questions, write and earn, and much more. Keep learning with Neemacademy.